Okay, this will guide you how to install R. How to install R. First, you go to any of your web browser, perhaps Chrome. I'm using Chrome. You just put type R, or the full name is rproject.org. So you will get R. So you download at CRAN. CRAN stands for Comprehensive R Archive Network. You'll find the most nearest to you, the most nearest location to you. In Malaysia, we have one in UPM. Then you can download R depending on your system, whether you're using Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. So I'm using Windows, so I'll download R from Windows. And then for the first time, you'll install R for the first time. Please. And then download R 4.3.0 for Windows. So it's downloading. When it is finished downloading, you double click, open, click yes, English, okay. So you just go to next. This is the setup information. Next, it will be installed in C backslash program files backslash R dash 4.3.0. Click next. Click next again. You just accept defaults. Next, it is in R. You will set up in R. Create the desktop. You can add in a quick launch shortcut if you want, but you just create the desktop shortcut is enough. Next. So it is installing. Finish. Now you have R at your desktop. You can double click. So this is R at desktop. So you can type, say, simple, say 1 plus 1, enter, it will be answer 2. Or you can say A is equal to 1, 1, and then you type A, it will give you 2. This is simple. Next, we will do installation of R Studio. Okay, this is for now. Thank you. Okay, next we will install R Studio. Just again, you pick up your browser and then you just type R Studio. You'll find it at posit.co. Click R Studio Desktop. You will find this R Studio Desktop. And then you will use the new version, Windows 10 or 12, 11, R Studio installer. So it is downloading. Depends on what system do you use, whether you use Mac or you use Windows. So I'm using Windows, so I download for the Windows. So it's opening. Okay, click yes, allow, next. It is C backslash program files backslash R studio. Click next. So you will have all accessibility or R studio. Okay, good. Whether you not want to create shortcuts, install, extracting all files. So finish. So you should have your R Studio. This is your, where is my R Studio? This is R Studio. You just type here, you should find your R Studio. This is your R Studio. We'll use a machine default 64-bit version of R. Auto detect recommended. Okay. So now we have this R Studio. So, okay, yes. Okay, this is the environment. This is the files that you can see. And then you can move between console to terminal. Some of the features are not accessed. Yeah, background jobs. Yeah, you have console here. Okay. Terminal here. Yeah. Okay, the console. Okay, okay. See at the bottom here, and let's move it smaller so you can see the full features here. So you can move down here. Say at the bottom here, you can see one plus 1 plus 1, you get 2, or you can see, say A, you assign A as 1 plus 1, then you can see A value here as 2. When you give type A, it will give the number 2 here. So this is an example of, this is R Studio. Okay, so